Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to add a product sale on 1FinForce. One of the beauties about adding product sales on the app is that it updates all other teams' tables simultaneously, be it the inventory team as well as the logistics team. So let's get into it. First step is to go through to the income navigation on the left hand side and say add product sale. You can select a customer here. In this case I'm going to stick with Dev Salto. If you want to add a new customer, all you have to do is click right there. For this, I'm just going to add invoice. That's the invoice number right there. It's about 6,000. When is the invoice due by the client? This current one is due on the 15th of September. The status of it is outstanding. The product is camping chairs and they ordered 10. So I'm going to add this to the cart. We can also add new products directly from here. When do we plan on shipping this to them? So, according to our logistics team, this will be shipped by the 28th of August. And the tracking number is UPS. And just like that, we created a product sale. Next up is we need to go through to our inventory tab. When we create a product sale, it alerts the inventory team and it updates this table automatically. So, we know that camping chairs has decreased by the amount that we have just sold. It also updates the logistics team's table. So, just by us creating that transaction there, the logistics team knows this is the latest order here and they need to update the status of it. That's the flow of creating a sales order. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.